With a bang, she was there. Yeah, she blew apart my cover, wasn't looking for a lover. And I crashed, I fell apart. And now I'm picking up the pieces. No, they're not exactly pieces, but it's a start. Did you ever think I'd let you go? You're the only thing I've ever known. It's like Twisted Sister meets Mr. It's like a rolling thunder meets a careless whisper. It's like Jesus shows in the Rolling Stones in a game of Twister. It's like a boy meets girl. And she went right and I went wrong. By the time I turned around and looked for her over my shoulder, she was gone. I'll never know how to make her favorite drink, and does she like the color pink and hated towels? And did you ever think I'd let you go? Think I always knew that we'd grow old. It's like Twisted Sister meets Mr. It's like a shot at the devil meets a careless whisper. It's like Motorhead and the Grateful Dead in a game of Twister. It's like a boy meets girl. When I saw you, I could see I wanna have you lying next to me. I wish that I could take it back, put you on my favorite track, play you on repeat. And every day since then is incomplete. It's like Twisted Sister meets Mr. It's like a rolling thunder meets a careless whisper. It's like Fleetwood Mac, Biggie and Tupac in a game of Twister. It's like a boy meets girl. Woo! It's like a boy meets girl. It's like you and me, girl. You'll always be my girl.
Brought to you by DreamWorks, How to Train Your Dragon.